आदलो मुख्यमंत्री आणि मडगावचो आमदार दिगंबर कामतीन गोंयांत कन्नड भवन बांदपा खातीर जागो मेळपाक आपूण जाता तितले यत्न करतलो अशें विधान कन्नड साहित्य परिशदेच्या एका कार्यावळी वेळार केलें। आपूण कन्नड भवना खातीर सरकारा कडल्यान परवानो घेवन गोंयांत जागो दितलो अशें उतरूय दिगंबर कामतीन ह्या वेळार दिलें।
Office bearers of district, South Goa district of Taluka. Today for this function we have my colleague from the neighboring constituency, Sri Ullas Vekar, the MLA of Kannadi, my good friend and the president of the Kannada Sahitya Parishad, Sri Dr. Mahesh Joshi, Sri Methi, state president, all Sri Angri, all the other office bearers and friends. I was present in Tanjin in your IFI auditorium where your first function was held to launch the state office bearers of Kannada Sahitya Parishad where today I am present in my own constituency. This is Madagascar Nagari. So I welcome you all to this commercial capital of Goa. Madagascar is known as the commercial capital of Goa. Now Dr. Mahesh Joshi has told you the relationship between Goa and Kannada. What he said is 101% correct. I have studied in Dharwad. We have affection, love and affection for Dharwad. Our Kula Devatas, in fact, 3 days back, I was in Angola, in Mahamaya and Lakshmi Narayan temple, where every 5 years or 7 years, they bring out the golden idol of Mahamaya. So for that function, I was there present in just 3-4 days back. That sort of relation exists between Karnataka and Goa, and with Kannada Sahitya Parishad organizing themselves in Goa, I am sure these bonds will further strengthen our relationship between Kannadigas and Goans, between Karnataka and Goa. Their one request is for Kannada Bhavan, which is very legitimate and genuine. I also believe that you must help other people of the other states to have one whenever somebody comes here. If you have a Bhavan, like we have Goa Bhavan in Mumbai, where Goans go for any medical treatment, anything, they go to that Goa Bhavan. We have a Goa Sadan in Delhi. I think like that, since Karnataka is very close to us, and many people from Dharwad and other areas may sometimes come to Goa, even for medical treatment, for any other purpose, they feel they will be more comfortable in staying in Kannada Bhavan. Their request for land, and I assure you that we will pursue it with the Samavasa with the government, and we will see that some piece of land is located, identified, and handed over to the Karnataka government.